How to fix copyright claim on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. In order to fix your copyright claim, tap on three-bar icon here, then tap on Settings. At this page, scroll all the way below until you see the option of Report a Problem under Support and About. Tap that option. Then here expand Account and Profile and choose Profile Page. Then here tap on to Other. Tap on Need More Help. And here just type in your issue. Type in that you are getting copyright claim for one of your videos on TikTok, and also mention the audio or the video falls under fair use. So request TikTok to fix your problem. Once done, all you have to do is tap on the send icon, and that way you can directly get help from TikTok support team. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.